Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the channel clean and audible, no wandering gain staging. Select the vocal channel, press SEL, then hit EQ. This is where you act. Roll off below 80 Hz with a gentle high pass. That removes stage rumble and tightens clarity. Once done, set Q around 0.7 for a natural slope. Engage and insert only if you need compression immediately. Otherwise, leave it bypassed and keep the channel output at unity so you hear true EQ changes. Next, you focus on the mid-range where character lives. Sweep with a narrow bell to find boxy buildup around 200 to 1000 Hz and cut 2 to 4 dB to clear space. Then, once the voice sits cleaner, add presence by boosting around 3 to 6 kHz with a broader Q near 1. This lifts consonants and intelligibility. Make measured changes and listen for harshness between 3 and 5 kHz. If sibilant or nasal, notch with a tight cut rather than broad attenuation. Finally, add a subtle air shelf around 10 to 12 kHz for sheen. 1 to 3 dB is plenty and keeps the vocal natural. Once applied, make sure to solo in context. Play backing tracks and /B the EQ by toggling bypass so you hear translation. If the voice still sounds off, check your gain staging first, then try a de-esser or narrow multiband on the insert. Troubleshooting tip: if feedback or muddiness returns, re-evaluate HPF and channel send levels before more EQ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.